So she's Jamaican born, four-time Olympian, gold medalist at the Olympic Games, gold medalist at the World Championship, and she joins us a couple of days before Mother's Day with her mom, and it's Sanya Richards Ross and Sharon Richards, and I'm privileged to say they are my friends. And she's supposed to call me uncle, and if she don't call me uncle, I'll jump in on the screen.
Exactly what I was going to call you.
Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Sanya, Sharon, great to see you. How are you guys?
We are awesome. Thanks for having us.
How are you?
I can't complain, give thanks. And as Sim said, I mean, from a year you were on, there's some stay from mine. I said, no, man.
It's true. It's true.
Serious.
I really would love to slap the smile off his face.
Yeah, man, I
but
stay
that's
so.
not.
More
Very
people know,
bad.
say, me know foreigner. You know, because them things are those people from Vineyard Town, me know.
Right? You're thinking international.
Long time.
Yeah. Sharon, let me start with you. What's been up with you as this outstanding young lady's mother? I know she's not your only child, but what's up with you?
I know. Life has been great. We recently all moved to Atlanta because Sanya said so. And we're having a blast. She has taken on some new projects and we're here for the ride.
And what a ride it's going to be. Sanya, you really take up yourself, go and jump into this reality TV. I mean, you got to be brave to do that, but you have taken it on and you're having a good time.
Yeah, it has been amazing. Simone, I feel like I always like to do things that make my heart beat out of my chest, makes me feel like I'm alive. And the ones around me don't always like it, but they do support and come along for the ride. But, you know, it was a wonderful experience. The show started airing last Sunday. We have our second episode coming this Sunday, so I hope you guys will tune in. We just saw a sneak peek, and listen, we are fighting over Patty, true Jamaican style. We have to watch it.
TST's party.
TST's Patty.
Real
Sanya-
Housewives
yep.
of Atlanta is a show.
Yep. Sanya, is this easy because you've done reality TV before, haven't you?
Yes, so we did our own family show in 2013. And so it gave me a little bit of experience, but this was a big difference. You know, obviously jumping into an ensemble cast of women who have been friends for over a decade. I'm new to Atlanta. So of course it was different than filming with just my family, but it was amazing. I had a good experience. You're gonna see the ups and downs of our relationships and obviously the family dynamic. I think it's an amazing show.
Let's talk about that family dynamic because Mother's Day is approaching, right? Sanya, you're on the show with Sharon. We know our Jamaican mothers tend to talk to us and do us some time and argument to have. Is Sharon portraying the true Jamaican mother experience?
Well, first of all,
Through, Simone.
Simone, you already threw me under the bus.
Sorry, that was not the intent.
Speaking the truth.
I see one of my best friends in this picture. Is he involved in this? The great Archibald, him involved in it?
Yeah, man, you should have seen Pops on the first episode. I had to caption. Nobody could understand the Jamaican was so thick. But Simone, back to what you're saying, I feel like Mom embodies everything about a real Jamaican mother. She not take no chat.
Correct.
And still, I go on like say we is 12 and 13, but you know, it's so.
But Simone, here's the good thing. They still want me around, so I can't be that
I
bad.
know, right? And
Right.
Sanya, you had an episode where you were introducing them to Jamaican food. Was that Mom's cooking
Yeah.
or your cooking?
Excuse me, say again?
Okay, I think that was Mommy's.
Simone, I was too
Too
busy
busy.
running to learn how to
Can you high five me? Just high five me, because I get that. I get it.
Sanya, how you going to manage this? Okay, you're not on the track anymore, but you're a commentator, you're a mother, you're a wife, you're doing this. What time you sleep, if you sleep at all?
Never.
Yes, I don't get a lot of sleep, but I just love all the things that I'm able to do. And like you mentioned, you know, and I joke about it, but I'm very, very fortunate to have incredible support from my family. Like Mom said, I had this idea for us to move to Atlanta. Everybody moved with me. And when I tell you, they make it all possible. So I'm very fortunate. You know, we're in the house together. So Deuce has his cousins. Of course, I rely on my mom and dad heavily. So, you know, they make it work for me.
Yeah.
Tell us about your relationship growing up with Mom, Sanya and Sharon. What kind of child was she, Sharon? What kind of mom was she, Sanya?
Well, let me start by saying what kind of child she was. I tell people all the time that it was a painless process.
Cannot be
Meaning,
true, mommy. True, true?
yeah, man, painless. Meaning, I don't know because she was out of the house most of the time, running in circles.
Possibly.
But I'll say that she was a good, or she still is a really good daughter. Meaning, you know, the most would happen is that she'd fall down. She was accident prone. So we're always running to the ER. But in terms of being the perfect student, the perfect child, she's very, very loving and very giving. And she's always been that way. She's always been everybody's best friend. And so it was really an awesome experience, as it still is today when she is herself. Yeah.
But Sanya, that would have a lot to do with how you were raised, eh? So mom has to take some of the credit for that.
No, all of the credit. I mean, being a mom myself now, I'm so grateful for all the sacrifices my mom made. She put us first from the very beginning. And, you know, I can count on one hand, if that, how many track meets she missed. I don't think she missed any, you know, and it was just always about us and loving on us and supporting us. And we wanted for nothing as kids. And when the time came to make the choice to even migrate, it was about us, giving us greater opportunities. So you talk about a selfless mom who just wanted to see her kids be successful, not necessarily on the track, just in life. And, you know, that's my mom. So I mean, especially, you know, Mother's Day coming up. We're here in Jamaica on a Mother's Day trip to really celebrate all the moms out there. It's just a very special time to be on with you guys.
Yeah.
And of course, my mom.
We had a segment before, I don't know if you guys were watching, the things that your mom used to say that you are now saying as a parent. And I remember, I tell them, I don't say it, but my mother used to say, if you don't stop crying, I'm going to give you something to cry about. I don't understand.
Oh, yeah.
To this day, I still don't understand. To this day, I still don't understand because I'm crying already, so I don't understand that. But yeah, do you say anything to your child that your mom used to say to you?
Oh my goodness, that's such a good one. Oh my gosh, Mom, what did
I don't think so, because she still thinks that we're very old-fashioned, meaning this modern-day way of parenting. I can't think of one thing, because of course everything that I say is really old-fashioned.
Yeah. I mean, one of the things me and Sharon was talking about the other day when we used to say, me's not gonna look a friend, you know? The mother, me's not gonna look a friend. So that's soon come with Deuce, that's soon come.
Oh gosh, you know, so I say that a lot to Erin. Just remember, I'm your mother. We're friends.
Yes.
But let me ask you though, how has her parenting of you informed your parenting of your son?
Ooh,
have you become your mother?
one.
Because sometimes we become, you know, we become our mothers and we don't know until we say or do something and we're like, oh my God, I am my mother.
Yeah.
You know, that's a really good question. I mean, obviously there's a little bit of a different dynamic because I'm raising a boy.
Right.
And he is just over the top crazy. Mom always say, man, this boy thing different than girls. But like I said, I think ultimately it's about me understanding that it's all about him and wanting to give him every opportunity to be great. We drive him over an hour to school because the school I find reminds me of Jamaica, reminds me of Vaz Prep, and it's far.
Aww.
But, you know, I think it's worth it. So
yeah.
I think those are the ways that my mom and dad influence how I parent. Because I felt like they did everything to make sure we were able to be the best.
Yep. Final question, what you guys going to do Sunday?
The thing turn up Sunday.
Oh gosh, till it turn over. So that sounds exciting.
We're going on a catamaran cruise.
Yeah, we're going on a catamaran. We have a group of almost 80 women here with us. I have a platform called Mommy Nation. My mom is doing a fab over 50 trips. So we are entertaining a group of women and really pouring into them. And we want to send them back home happy, loving mothers. So we're super excited about the weekend. We're here in Montego Bay at the Hyatt Ziva. So we're going to have a great time.
Ooh.
You have no idea how great it is to see you guys. Sharon, obviously,
same here.
I've known Sharon from we don't know so. So
Don't tell the people that. That's not true. I'm still there.
so good to see you, Sanya. So great to see you.
Thanks
we love
for
you guys.
having us.
Yeah, man,
Wait, before we go, we want folks to watch the show, Sanya. So tell us where to find it.
Yes, so we'll be on every Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern. So I think that's 7 p.m. now, because I know you guys don't change times. But we're on at 8 p.m. Eastern on Bravo. Please watch. We are representing And I think you guys are gonna love it. So please watch. And then write me and tell me what to think. Don't write me too much, and just write me all a nice thing. Not a nice thing.
And just before the episode finishes, just say hi, Uncle Neville.
No, it's
All
a
right,
trip
all right.
already made. But you folks were here the other day too, Sanya, because you took all the ladies here to
Yes,
JA. That's when it was fighting over the patty.
Yes. No,
And
so listen, the party scene was in Atlanta.
Oh.
But like you said, I brought all the ladies to Jamaica because
Brought them to Kingston.
Yeah, we came to Kingston and Montego Bay. Any chance I get, I love to expose people to Jamaica and to my culture. And we went to the track. The minister Babsy Grange came and visited us. It was the ladies loved it. We had the best time. So, we always try to incorporate as much as we can and show people this beautiful place and all the richness that comes out of Jamaica. So it was I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Come
Yeah.
on. Love you both. Hail up my brother for me, yeah?
I love you too. Thanks for having us.
Hail up my brother for me, yeah?
I will.
All right.
I will.
God bless you.
Bye.
Sanya Richards-Ross and her mom, Sharon Richards. All right, Corinne McPherson is the winner of the homemade candle from Laura Alexis. And still to come, it's Child's Play on Something to Smile About. But first, the second edition of News in 5 comes up in about 5 minutes. So stay with us, please.